Okay, folks, welcome to the Contrarian Trader. This is Robert Desmond. It's Thursday afternoon. The market is now closed, and we're going to be looking to trade two stocks in the coming days. The first stock is going to be ADNC, which is Audience Inc., and it is a NASDAQ traded stock. The second stock is Redline Hotels, symbol RLH. It's an NYSE traded stock. Let's begin with Audience Inc. I have been discussing Audience Inc. for several weeks now with my members on the week ahead commentary, which I send out to members every Sunday. And we've been watching it. You'll note that in early September, it broke down. This is a weekly chart that you're looking at, broke down, put it in a nice bottoming tail, but we knew, have to show discipline, allow it to pull back down, retest. What happened here in early October was an undercut double bottom, a breakdown below the previous low of $5.80, which you see a lot more of now, these undercut double bottoms. And since that point in time, the first week in October, we've traded. We did make a new weekly low, but we did rebound off of it. We're finding that $6 per share is being somewhat of a resistance point. So we have a stock that's at extreme oversold levels, and I'll get to the daily chart in a moment, but before you decide of when you want to buy a stock, especially one that's been beaten to death like this, you always want to identify where your historic support level is. Given that this stock has only gone public in the past year, there is no historic support. You're seeing it right now. So you don't have that benefit of hindsight analysis in your favor. So let's get to the daily chart, because what you need to do is you need to pay attention to your indicators, RSI, stochastic, number of other ones, your price action along with your volume action. And for the most part, I like the chart. Nice bottoming tail here. We've pulled back in an orderly fashion. The only thing I don't like is the fact that we undercut this previous support and we have been unable to close above the resistance level here highlighted in blue. We attempted to do so today, but failed. We were unable to do it. Resistance at $6 per share, not good. One good sign is that you did see up volume rise. Taking a look at our indicators, we want to take a look at first the slow stochastics, and you'll note that the slow stochastics are very mature. And what I mean by mature is that they put it in a double bottom, which is very good, and they're beginning to hook up. Now what we want to do is to see a follow through, a breakout higher above this midpoint. That means that your risk to reward is improving. The RSI is below 20, which is good. It's beginning to hook up as well. So we like ADNC. I don't like the topping tail today. We'll be looking at the intraday charts for a better read on the stock. Here your ADX line is putting in a double top. In red, in blue, in green, it's putting in a double bottom. Very healthy chart. I'm liking it. We'll probably be pulling the trigger on ADNC in the coming days. Members, stay tuned for further commentary of why I believe that there's going to be a rally in ADNC. Folks, if you're not currently a member and you'd like to receive more detailed analysis on ADNC or RLH, just sign up for the 14-day free trial offer. Even if you have a stock that you're looking at and you like a second opinion on the stock, meaning how the chart is looking, then that's part of the service. It's called Trade Coach. So sign up for the 14-day free trial offer, and you'll get further analysis on ADNC and RLH as well, and you'll learn the catalyst of why I think these stocks are going to head higher in the coming days. So keep an eye on ADNC. Next stock is Redline Hotels, symbol RLH. This is a daily chart. I like the way the chart is setting up. If you drew a trend line down or channel down, we'd be trading at the bottom of that channel, which is very good. I was watching this earlier, and it looked as though that it was going to put in a key reversal on the day, meaning it traded down and was going to close positive. But that wasn't to be. What they did is, let's drill down to a 3-minute chart. The final minutes of trade, they just busted it out. And that's why you need to show discipline with these stocks, is because they could trade strong all day long. But here, take a look at how many shares were traded. Not many. This stock only traded 5,600 shares today. But there is a reason why I believe that this stock is going to skyrocket. And I'm going to get into that with members. And it's a solid reason, a rock solid reason of why I believe it's going to skyrocket in the coming days. But you need to show discipline in where you enter the stock. So please be careful. Again, this is a 3-minute chart. Look at the trade volume. I mean, there was none. The highest volume bar of the day was in the final 3 minutes, and it was the vast majority of the trade volume throughout the day. So please be careful. Don't listen to these newsletters. Don't listen to the talking heads on Wall Street. It's all rigged. I beg of you, do not trade early in the day. When you trade these stocks, you need to pull the trigger late in the day. That's what I preach to my members. And sure enough, it's exactly what happened today. I beg of you, please use caution. These slugs are out there to rob you of your money, or as they like to say, alleviate you from your money. Let's take a look at the weekly chart. Another reason why you need to be careful. Here is previous support. You always need to identify previous support. This is a gift by virtue of the fact that we've been here before at these price levels back in 2010. Unfortunately, we broke through those support levels. Will it rally back on Friday? Not sure. We'll need to see. I'll become much more constructive on RLH if we're able to rally and close above the $5.80 per share level. We could quite very well, if we break down further, come all the way down to $4.31. So, folks, please, I urge you, use caution. I am somewhat optimistic on RLH. If you want to receive the trade alerts of when we're going to get long of either RLH or ADNC or both, sign up for the 14-day free trial offer. If you watch this on YouTube, please leave a comment on the video if you like it, if you hate it. Sign up for my YouTube channel. And if you watch this on the home page, please enter your email address and you'll be alerted of when we send out new alerts on different stocks and commentary on the overall market. And folks, when you enter your email address, please go to your email box and activate it. I get many people that they opt in. I use a special service. I pay for it so people can be rest assured that they won't receive spam. So please enter your email address. Go to you're going to receive an activation email. Go to your email and activate the email, or else you will not receive alerts from me. You have to give authorization. It happens all the time. People don't activate it. And that's it, folks. Have a great trading week. Even if you're not a member, shoot me an email. I don't want you to lose money if you have a question regarding these two stocks. And have a great trading week, folks. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.